Hello everyone, welcome back to this new video on Parallel Remote Application Server, and today I will show you what are the different functionalities available specifically when it comes to printing as well as scanning features within the Parallel Remote Application Server. So if you've been following this track, in the first video we deployed Parallels in Azure, and the name of our server is Thermo Parallels, and then part of the installation we also published some of the application, and I showed you how as a client you can access it via the HTML5 gateway or via by deploying the Parallel client option. Also part of those videos I also showed you how you can share your folders if you want to via the Parallel server, and today we'll show you how you can use the printers which are locally available, and you can print the documents and other files that you want to use by making use of the Parallel server. So let's get started, and let me just connect to my RDP session with the server, and let me open the server console. So as you can see on the left side of your screen, we have the option of publishing, which we used in our videos previously, and then we also have the option of universal printing, universal scanning also. So let me just click on universal printing, and as you can see that under the universal printing tab I have localhost terminal server, which is enabled. If I go into the printer drivers, we can choose from different modes. We can choose allow redirection printer using any driver. We can also redirection printer using one of the following drivers, so we can add or remove, or we can totally block and they will not be able to use any one of the following driver. But in our case we want to use this by any driver. You can also manage the fonts from the fonts management. So let me just minimize this and minimize my RDP session, and let me connect to the remote application server by using the HTML5 gateway. Okay, and I will be using the same user and the password that I've been using the entire track. And printing is always such a sticky issue, because as a client, when you're trying to access any file or any document and you want to print that, you want to make sure that the printer that are available locally on premise, you're able to use them, you're able to print from them. Okay, so let me just open the accessories and open the WordPad, and let's type documents. Yeah, so this is a regular WordPad on which I have typed something, and let me just go to the File tab, and if I go to the Print and select the Print option, you can see that Universal Printer for RAS by Parallels, and if I click on the Print, you will see it will automatically take me to the printer which is available locally to this laptop on premise. So this HP LaserJet Pro multifunction printer, this is available locally from the laptop that I am accessing, and if I click on the print button, it will automatically print this. So this is a great feature, and the clients want to make sure that they can use the resources available in their locally on their network. The same thing you can do when it comes to the scanning part too. So if I go back to the server console, you can see that I have the scanning options. So you can use, so if your printer has the scanning capability, or if you have a printer, or if you have a scanner separately, you can same way use the scanning capability by using the Parallel Remote Application Server deployed in Azure. So I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.